to thank all our diplomats sitting here and those who are not here, who have been very supportive of Pakistan's firm, fair and just stand that this baseless propaganda and allegations against Pakistan by India about Pahalgam incident, sad as it was, Pakistan had nothing to do with that. And I'm extremely grateful to all those friendly countries who have been very helpful in promoting peace, ceasefire in this part of the world, and promoting all arguments, valid points for de-escalation. In that, I would like